If you're watching this video and you have not subscribed as yet, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be notified when we upload new content, all right?
Never soon come here, baby. I mash up something in man early.
So where you go?
We're going to go rub down one car for spray, you know what I mean? So we could do work. Can't have me a bum on the place and try to get some work done because you have to eat food.
True.
But now, the money left here this man, but them said they're going to give me money in the morning, yeah. So, I look at price last night, so there's no food on there or nothing. But just check me by a certain time, man.
Alright.
Because I go up the road, up by the garage.
Alright.
If I go up the road and go down the hill, down the garage, down there.
Alright then.
So you can come in and call me.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So come here.
Alright then, yeah, man. You fire, so I go on now.
You know, say, I'm there go and try to dump a boy work. But I say, man, come, me and man don't have agreement, you know. So I forget X, Y, Z, and the man come and have to carry the whole of the money coming, you know.
Oh, yeah, I said to me.
But in case look at things come, I carry some money coming to get to buy something to cook or something, you know.
Alright, now some food, me call link you find now. I'm more food money because me there hungry.
But you come right on time, though, man. Wait, I want to talk to them.
Aye.
So I'm partner, them partner name technicality, you know. You see, if I don't get that party, I go, I don't get no work, you know.
But see, you're pro, you know. You're pro for any work, you know.
Technical, you know.
Yeah.
I know what babe, can you talk out of the sun here?
Alright.
See, boy, look like him a come back here.
Better be him.
Come on, go back, sir. Alright. Alright. Let me say now. The bridge in the carry money coming. I'm telling you, I want 40,000 project, you know. And I look at the money when you coming up. What anyway you say? Alright, so you want to know. But you just go buy some things for yourself. Like you want to buy one G-string or one tights or something. You know,
No easy, no thanks.
And take the next 3 grand and buy some food put in your house. You know what I mean?
Alright.
Some vegetable things go come and now, make some vegetable soup for me. Put it on, you know what I mean?
Alright.
I'm hungry now, but I try to mash up with them people at work, you know what I mean? So when I go up a yard, just deal with that. You know what I mean? Soon forward.
Alright.
Alright, go back on the road.
Mommy,
Yes,
can I get $200 please?
good hour.
I'll buy something on the road.
You know, if me did have a mother gift. So why you not gonna ask your big brother for it? In we give you know.
Mommy don't know when there, mommy.
Me pass him not too long out the road. I play a Ludi. So go on out there go see if you see him and ask him.
Alright, I'll check later, yeah?
Alright then, I'll
We soon
take
come
care.
back.
Yeah man, alright.
Fix that.
6 8 this.
Move, we are moved then, mama.
Salt your salt. Tell them pour that.
I might play Rasta.
Salt that salt too.
Man, start up my dice there. Yo! Watch it now. Get out! I throw that in.
Brother, fire.
Save that.
Brother, Browning.
Yeah, man.
Brother, is that 2 bills we are beginning? I don't really have no money.
What you want it for? JPS bill or water commission bill?
No, something I can buy, brother.
Brother, I was protecting you. This them are 3 bills, yeah? Out of me draw, me take you a while ago. See? So guess what I'm going? If me give you too much, me left with.
1.
Alright.
Don't worry yourself, brother. Everything will be alright, yeah?
Alright, sir.
You know you look better now. Nah, I do nothing wrong, so. Alright, Browning.
Wait there now. Oi! Wait there now. You know I say it's a bills me beg you.
You know, to tell you the truth, at 200 I just beg my brother and a lot of me I go use it by.
You know, you say enough to gamble.
No, but listen, no. Me get a vision. But me can only get $100 out of it.
Give me.
I want number me buy. But
me.
no, if you go back this and they ask, you not say nothing.
Me not say nothing, man.
Do. No
Me
make
not say
nobody
nothing.
know somebody no later.
Alright.
Alright. Take care, yeah?
Thanks, man.
Alright, you look good though.
Yeah, man. I open another teeth, me, you know.
You see, you're not easy, you know.
We do what?
Bet I too busy to text for the man.
Shut
I'm
up,
not
your
time. Remember, we used to go to school, girl. I almost say the age, you know. But it's cool, I'm lunch money give you. You know what I mean? And you're not kind, so. You're not giving me nothing. No, do. For me, I go to school, yo, daddy. You better make a gamble that money a while ago, you know. Because she get a step. She not like that, nothing. And then you see, look at you, them who don't know. I want sweet talking to the youth a while ago, you know. I'm not saying for 5 money, you know. Yeah, man, get us.
For real, man. Cause I guess I know, man. So she stepped to my brother a while ago, you know. But guess what I go on? My little brother can deal with him thing, man. I feel him judgment.
You see a while ago, I shake the man, I shake, sir.
Rough.
You know, easy.
I play if you play a game. I hold like phone the money me want to take for right, yes, tonight.
You know, some piece of money over here, but some more over there. If Brownie never over there, when it come, they can't take it. So when you go in work, they can't take it.
You can't fool me. If I went with a guy to school, you're going to get nothing. I know me I come over here for it. You remember me gamble off this and come and me yard. All of the money me I take up.
And then you give me.
Why? Look at time I got this and chat and put the whole of my man in my yard. I mean, no, say a thief or no thief me, you know?
Yo, I tell you this. No bother make she yam you out, you know.
Who?
The same brown girl there. Come and see she check you. Down the night. Me tell you this. We don't know so you no face, boy. So when you see certain girl around and money they want, cause you are going, you see when she see you get the 2 bills, or she jump on one to come say hey and all these things. Watch yourself. You hear me I say?
Brother, me understand what you say, but I don't look me and look her, and she not look me. She just beg me a thing and it really squeeze him 100 for true. But otherwise than that, me get to deal with them, I deal with still. But you know, you come down. You look for brother, I look for love. Me not look for woman that want money. So you know, say they can't really use their head for me, because I'm very smart like how you same way.
You mean to tell me, say, me give you 200 and you give her 1? What you do with the next one?
You know, say brother, me buy one bull and bag juice.
Bull and bag juice. Well, a bull and bag juice until you can get a steak. You know what I mean? So, what do you think, man? Everything good. I'm a little brother. Or yourself?
No rest my brain, yeah, man.
Racy. You understand me I say? Racy.
So we go up on the road, the big brother.
You don't worry yourself. Me a big brother. Me have to take care of this place. Tell mummy say me soon forward, yeah?
All right, brother.
Babe, fire, come here.
Me I come there.
But thy son man I left you up.
No, so I have to try done them people at work.
Put on when me sit them and I
You may
left
say,
you
man,
dirty
if
up.
me don't done the work, I'm gonna get money.
Stop right there, so. You remember the incident I tell about in my family over so?
Or the one losing foot.
The one who losing foot. One big settlement man go on and he give me money out of it. Say now if you do them my work no more. And me talk to you already.
But when I said the insurance would take long to come through, you sure?
No man, it not take long
You
man.
get the money already?
Yes, me get the money. Some don't know where you there, say club yourself in them as hot son you for.
Me here we have to still know. But I finish the people them up. Because you're not sure what we are saying. You see, but when we come later, I'm soon come. When we come later, you show me money for real, I will make it move for real.
I mean say me not sure. How sure you sure than this you want me to look? Me sure man, just go put on them and sit there and come man.
Brother, how you go, man?
Me get a work up on Mandeville to take care of a house. You know, upon a gated community. So, up there me I go still.
Up there right now.
But here what I do now. So me up there work, I'll give her money every weekend to take care of mama.
So you went tell mom say you go?
Mommy no did it.
Mom no did it.
If he did them, when I tell him he no did them, man. But anyway, me have to hurry right now.
But you went here say somebody in that area win lotto?
What you say to me? Somebody, which part? In this area?
In that area win, them say right round the area so win lotto. And he no claim yet.
So as me I left get to somebody win the lotto, brother.
Alright. Do you think, man? Do you think?
Alright, remember you know, Mandeville.
Mandeville again.
Up our gated community.
Alright. Me tell mom.
In case you come, call me, nobody just rush in. Just call me.
Gated, what do you mean gated community? Gated like what? Big gate?
Me don't know. I said the man.
Remote?
Me don't know. I said then tell me.
Alright. Take care of yourself now.
Yeah.
Alright. Mommy,
Yes.
I make you look so worried.
Yes, I'm worried for you because your brother I send some money come give me. I appreciate the money where my send come, but I don't know which part I get it from. I don't know if I scam him, I scam. I don't know if I thief him, I thief him. I don't know how we get it. And then church people them I say a bag of things because me I get the money, me I get things from him, and me don't know the source of how he get it.
Mommy, don't worry, man. You're a mega though. I'm going to check him and find out really what I want. I'm going to talk to him.
Find out from him, make me know. Me know say him no in a then something there, you know. But the whole things are going now, and the heap of big money.
Mommy, don't worry yourself, man. You hear me? I'm going to check him right now. I'm going to check him right now. Here.
Alright,
don't
check
worry
him.
yourself.
Check him and make me know what.
I'm going to check him now. Here.
Alright, and
Cool,
take
man.
care.
Yeah, man. Cool.
Yeah.
Thank you, God. Yeah, that was delicious, God. Yeah, so amazing, God. Who that? Oh,
Yeah.
who that?
Brother.
Are you alone out there?
Brother.
Are you alone?
Yeah, me alone, or what?
Alright, alright, come in. Come in, man. Quick.
And I have one like say. What you say? Uptown style.
Yeah, man.
Don't get that one like a thing we draw through always bust your finger sometime. Remember them days, eh?
Yes, my brother, but things time and things change.
Rough. So you see I go on. Look like you eat all food, you know. If food don't cook.
Wait a second, brother, you come with the ghetto style of uptown. The food don't must done cook if me I eat it.
So yeah, none for me more than two. A flour you cook? What you
Yeah,
cook,
man, flour.
Come on, you love flour, you know.
Yes.
Give me two flour, man. Give me two
flour.
flour, cause
Alright.
I eat my uptown food. So you see I go on, my brother.
As you say, no, brother, things and time have to change.
What? Yeah.
Pineapple on top, that's the life, you know?
Are you eating a piece of dumpling?
No, man.
And from long time you take for your big brother, you know. You know, say I say stay style that, you know.
I saw me teach you something. It's in life, you make people taste the food first.
So you say you have to take a piece of my dumpling after you don't eat?
No, you have to taste it to be sure it's good.
Alright, everything good, man.
Anywhere you go, make sure people taste it before you eat it.
From your grew up, I be in my plate, I take a piece of chicken and all these things out there. So you stay, man, first style.
How you pass the security? I mean, ID required to come on the premise.
Me say, me bigger brother, me and you share the same last name. So if when me come at the gate and say, I want to go and see so and so, I'm show them my ID because boy, from the security tough down there. At one point, he never want to let me know. But I have to convince him and say, yo, my brother man is right there. And he say, alright, cool, can we look alike? I mean, on things of your age, them kind of, you know.
We understand all of that, you know, brother, because you know some of them security don't really sensible. But differently, where you come check me for? Because we know you know. Only when you need something, we see you.
When you tell me the truth, I ask you a question because that really come up as stuff I feel really hear. Saying because mommy don't get a worry, brother. She a worry what I go on with you because she's not sure how you get so much money if you take care of the way I get up. And the pastor, saying the pastor come out the yard, because you know, say, the family, few family kind of close to the church. Pastor one day say, where you get money from? We are supply all these people, man, if a scam in your turn to, and all these wrong road, but you know you're not supposed to go to. Me now to myself, I wonder, what my brother get in, because I'm a bigger brother. And even though say you have more money than me and you spend more money, I'm still worried. Someone tell me the truth. What really go on? Where you get so much money from?
You know what, brother? I don't feel like telling you anything right now because you can't keep your mouth. But through me, your blood. I'm going to tell you, and you have to make this stay right, yeah, so. Don't carry go nowhere, not even mother.
Not even mommy?
Yes, because she going to run up and down and preach you all over the world.
That's true.
You know the whole get to go now. I mean, I want to get to know me, I want to keep calm. But yeah, man.
Sound serious, brother.
You know why me there so right now? And the money when me I send come good, lot of me win. Hey. Come.
See me, brother?
Hey. Second. Same thing. Listen up.
All right.
Listen up. Calm down, man. You see, same thing when I try to avoid. Calm yourself, brother. Sit down, man. Sit down. Please. That's the reason why we come here, so and buy this place.
Lot of man too, bro. Lot of.
Brother, I'm going to give you a 300,000 to keep calm right now. Just calm yourself. Everything will be alright. I know you don't make a mention nothing to mommy. Because if you mention it, you know what happened.
Sorry, man.
Me now get no good love.
All right, so like how everybody I wonder where you get so much money from and thing, and you know, all mommy I stress out about the whole things you're a scammer, things you're a thief, you know, and I wonder, say, watch if you tell the people, because church people might check her and all these things, you know what I mean? What do you think if you tell her, say?
Come on, brother, man, it's simple. Just tell us how rich white woman to find.
Alright.
You know, the white woman have the money there.
True.
That's the only thing we take her off and back a little.
Alright. That sounds good, man. That's a nice plan. Remember if I start with my little thing, I guess so. Food done. I'm just get excited and I know say boy my brother go take care of me. So we go do road.
I say you go.
Yes. Me not tell nobody, man.
Jamaican ever eat all at the same time. So
Yeah, man, right. Yeah, man, gone. I mean, then call that, yeah, man, gone. But you are gone. Big up
remember,
yourself.
a white woman.
Nobody go dead, you know. Nobody go dead, no, because you have me way out of the ghetto more and if you ghetto. Yes, sir? Nobody go.
No, you have to tell her ghetto. If you left the ghetto, a problem. Stay there. Two brothers can't let you ghetto. Go and see them, you give money to flourish and any local picnic is hungry. You take them money in them pocket too.
As long as you keep your word. Make sure you keep your word there, you know. Me a big brother, me I have to take care of you.
Alright.
I feel time now to take care of me. If food never too bad still, are you cook?
Of course.
Why?
Still in the mean, what we grew up in the ghetto can learn. It's still up in the uptown, we don't buy fast food.
Alright, my boss.
Yeah,
So like a
man.
plan. Take care of yourself. Me teacher good, you know.
Yeah.
Me teacher good.
Don't leave me house.
Alright, boss. So don't dead, you know. I got something go, man.
You see, you don't use the uptown place.
Oh, that's something I
Don't do it, come so.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
That's how you open the uptown door.
Alright, brother. Live your
Yeah.
life. The food very nice. Look come on.
Alright.
General. Where are they, sir, daddy? Me bomba. You know, so my brother place over here, sir, man.
Alive.
So you live here, sir, too?
Yeah, man, upstairs, woman buy one place. Just buy it still.
Okay,
New nice place, man. New. Let's go upstairs, man. They said room like this, sir.
Yeah.
Exactly over this, sir. I said, one of the one here, sir. But this man have it already. Who control it?
Brother, man. Long time in there, still.
Alive.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, so, alright. Upstairs with them, man, I go on with the top said speed. Say that place. Or is a pass through?
Just a pass through. Come go and give me a link, you know what I mean?
Well, right and now, I just said cat there. The man there laugh off. And she, if you have to get a piece of money, brown thing we set up on time.
Yeah,
Man. And me and her still a deal. So she get a piece of money and she buy one of them places up there. So we are living different now. With money I play now. Not work again. We just double some bill and go more after and come back. And money no problem with she.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. So what boy do for what Papa do? Do you know say now?
But you know, say, the field says a white man still, you know, white man have to take care of people.
Man get a white man?
Yeah, I think you get a white man.
Yo, yeah, Rasta, you don't get one to them, daddy?
Brother, you know, say, I search for one, but you don't know my thing set. I don't rush it, you know what I mean? Because, you know, me a man from the ghetto, you know, like.
Yo, see thing with the white man, daddy, you know, you go. Long on tongue, business, you know?
No, I'm not upon that. That's
no,
enough.
you know, you go. But anyway, the mom said, you miserable, you know. And she never sort out and she feel good.
Make it a
Really,
little
man, I guess how them, man, upstairs, man, the same, 006. Can we just move on, 06?
Okay.
Yeah,
Bless up yourself, brother.
Yeah,
Stay
man.
safe, you know.
Born it up.
You're a good place, man. You're good. You're good.
Safe place, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, see the difference there, say, no?
Yeah.
From upside, from down there, get up.
See.
I be a piper, yeah, knock on a bed and say, yes, so
I'm
now,
going to tell you.
only thing you hear. And it's like a tenant up in the door. A tenant up in the door. Sure.
Yeah.
They don't know here.
Hold on. You talk about pie. Guess who them pie don't get up?
Who?
Milo, brother. Milo get pie and mark out like them, yo, chalk out. I guess I know. I don't know what I'm going on and what I'm doing. But brother, it again hot down in the ghetto. So right now, me and Sherlock are way out too. Rough. Don't get up?
You ever know? I'm glad to come out and get up.
Yeah.
You see, them say, when you have money, money is change. But me believe if you have money, you have to change. Change your location.
But that's true still. Yeah, man.
See, if you can get a white girl like your brother, you can go in a room now and love yourself. That means you're in a safe zone, daddy.
Yeah, I look at
Save
white
yourself.
girl. That's true.
Save yourself, brother.
That's true.
Hold it
Alright.
down, man.
Bless up, brother.
This one idea, them, man. Watch no football and drink 2 beers.
Alright, sound like a plan. Yes, sir. Big up yourself. Mommy.
Yes?
Yes, so don't worry yourself, man. Guess what I hear about what I'm going.
Oh, what
Hear a
going?
full story.
You look happy, man. You look like a good news.
Well, guess what now? It's a white woman in fine.
White woman?
Rich white woman, and guess what now? Well taken care of. Because him there up at one place where, you know, you have to put in your name, and if you don't name, film last name, you can't go up there.
A lie. Boy, I live life, man. Man, me glad for him. Me glad for him. Well, me not have to worry myself again. Because now me know the source, where I get the money from, and must God provide that the woman there for him.
Yes, man, ain't good to go. Here we go on. Worry yourself, man, because right now I feel like just want to relax myself a little bit. So here we moment. Go on do your thing. Don't stress yourself. Don't worry. We're going to start with one little thing now. Yeah? So don't worry yourself.
Yeah, man, me not worry myself. Now me know how it go, me not worry myself.
All right. Later, yeah,
Yeah, man, and take care, man.
All right,
All
Mommy.
right.
Later.
Thank you, Jesus. Me know say God will provide a good woman for him, you know. Me know, man. Me glad say things turn over for him. Man, you know me proud of me boy.
Pardon, Mama.
Where you tap me for?
Well, I'm just... When I come and see something, I have to be at time. I don't know, but come out there and talk to you. Please, just bear with me. Just bear with me. Here. I'm here to still. See? You know, see, you look like a my type. And a girl like you need to be in my life. Because when I look for you, I look for the way you smile. Just from walking down the street there. I said, I need you. Because your sunshine. The sun is a shine on your glitter. So, by the way, I really want to know if you can be a part of my life.
Look for me good. You walk and me a walk. I need a man that can drive Vaxi. Can you afford a Vaxi?
Talking about vaccine, my brother just win the lotto. And guess what he go do? He go buy me a vaccine. Only if you know my brother named Popeye.
Which Popeye?
You don't know Popeye from down a ghetto? Down so.
Let me ask you something. You used to date one girl when named Cherry, don't?
You know my brother, man. You know Popeye, man. Because guess what now? Since he win the lotto, he left from the ghetto and he go uptown now, go and live up in some gated community. But guess what? You see if you go in that place, you have to use family last name. You can't go in the like say you want to come say hello, let me in. They not let in, you know. Uptown the man there now.
Oh, that's why I'm not seeing that in the ghetto again. Anyways, when I depend where you depend, so take time, go on where you go.
What do you mean?
Go on where you go.
You see people like, oh no, it's alright, man. I get my vaccine, I see up on the road, walk in just the same way. When me get my vaccine, I go splash her up, just wait, you go on.
Let me go call my friend Cherry. Cherry, you know hear what go on? Yes, girl. Me hear say Papa win the lotto. Same Papa we never won because he broke. Yeah, girl, you rich now. Yeah. Alright, girl, later. You know what? I gonna see if I can post Cherry. Cause it been a long time, man. I must can get him back.
Papa,
Cherry?
a long time I not see you. You change up, man. Oh, you look so different. I want to go on for you.
You know what I want to look work me get and you know really big but even borrow I can't still people
No, man, me
can't.
feel you up again. I'm glad to see you.
Uh,
So what? You not married yet?
not yet, me there I try to find love, you know.
I lie, and you look like I say you're married. Not tell me no lie, you know?
I say I borrow the car, me just do a little piece of work. But you look like you're married already, full suit.
No, me not married. Me still a search, but you look like a good luck me buck up on you.
Oh. So when you say, alright, it's like I turn busy now. I think the best time for me to just take you out on a dinner date like how you say you're single and you're searching. We used to there one time and you know you did have some little difficulty.
Ready and waiting. I want to go out on that date, but you have to go give me your number.
Alright. 876 363 6916.
Alright.
Alright, just call me later. Nobody do like the last time you duck me.
I'll make sure I call you.
Alright.
So let me take a selfie now.
Alright.
Alright.
Okay, babe.
Alright.
Alright.
See you later.
Yeah.
I'm glad to see you, you know?
We're glad to see you
Glad no.
change. We're glad to see you
Yeah,
change
thanks.
because you're uptown now, so we know say something might go on, you know. Alright.
I'll call you, man. We talk about that later. Alright, here?
Alright. Who's that? Oi, we not invite you in.
Hello. You know long me I look for you?
Oh, you find me? I'm at our
Me have some people them over there so then tell me say here say you there.
over there.
See your son here.
Where say?
Me say see your son here.
Oh, before you head going further, how old is he?
When you put in on me, stay in on me for 2 years, make really grow big, and now make give birth my 1 year old.
Your boss is sick. You know you're a real mother man. Hello. This set is very expensive.
So, I'm not getting up. This is your child.
No, man. I have to call doctor. No, me really have to.
Mind you wake up the baby.
Don't see me in my house.
Hello, mind you wake up the baby.
Dr. Clark, I needed to do something for me. There's 2 things I needed to do. I need you to come here with a test, to test a baby to find out if it's mine. I need you to bring the people that will work up at 10-4, please. Right now.
Hold on, I want to look prank me and run you still. Me used to the from them time there and now me see you. Yeah, so me deserve some money you know cause me see say I make it. I want to make it too.
Alright, fear is fear. Fear is fear, you know, cause they used to give me it free. And back them days they still have a, you know, a little grip. But anyway still, to tell you the truth, you know. You know, so somebody give me a place to keep and care. I don't really mind.
You know, see, you lie though. Me know when you're broke, you know. Me know when you're broke, you know, you no look broke. And I say you look when you're broke. Tap tell me lie, I feel your place. I'm going to want some pension.
Alright, you can get 2 grand still.
What you take me for? You know, so me have a lot of secrets for you. I want my partner draw. For real, man, because you move like a bro god. Look at the mansion where you live in. I want my partner draw.
You know, I'm telling you, I don't really mind. How much you want? Because I don't really mind money. Just tell me, what you want?
500,000.
What you just say?
500,000.
You know what? Let me teach you something. Come home. You know, so me can pay some people on social media just to say you're mad. And you can't get away with that. Because once they start saying you're mad, you know Jamaica run. So come by your yard. When you're ready to cheat me better, you come back. Come! Boy, you try blackmail me. You know who you try blackmail? I don't even know who for head go up and come. And when you're ready to come back with good attitude, you come back. I need to talk to them security there, you know. Please connect me to the security. Hello, good night. Yeah, Mr. Henry speaking. Can you connect me to the front desk, please? Okay, I'll hold. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Why are you sending a mad woman for me? You never know she mad? Listen, you think, wait a minute. She's a mad woman. Remember, I give you a listen. If no name, whether the panic come here, you not gonna have no job. And good night, please. Right. Where I come from,
One of my friend party me I come from, you know. I never stay long, you know, notice.
No, you know, something changed, you know. Not only the house and the place where we hang out and where we live now. But everything changed to just start have money now. First time I was the one going out and staying out late. No, and you are still out late. And like say I can't enter my body, so I know my body. Now I come in from evening and I wait for you. And after 12 now, I say, so what thing you left a party then? If you say no still out late.
But you're not easy. But you know, say something like this, you don't come up with, you know. Because you always come up with something new. First of all, yes, after 12. It's like you watch your time then. You can't manage this. You always want to argue. So, me no.
What may I say now? What is this we have? Do we have a relationship? Or we have a sinking ship? Because before money come in and play, everything was smooth. When I do my 9 to 5, you know what I mean? I may have put the food on the table. When I stay out, if I go out, still ask and tell me I go somewhere. But since one day I stop work now, because you have money now, I say I have to work. You know, you look like you want to come in a house boy. Now me I wash and I clean the place. The barbecue was there and them thing there. But since that lately, when I'm going out together again, I hear a friend them I go do something. So I now see no time of you. But when I come in at night, they touch you, you know, you're tired because you don't party, or you slide and lick your back. You bugger excuse since you have money. What problem?
All of the pan is since me have money this, since me have money that. If you're happy, so me have money, can't take care of both away and just ease yourself. You're not even like goat. So I don't know why you just take up this for your head. Me can't walk out the road, you have a problem. Me don't watch things when me give you. What me give you, just what me give you. So just ease yourself, man. Just make me breathe. Please.
Oh, see, watch you now.
You look so. You can't take this. I'm tired and want to sleep right now too.
I guess I'm not sleeping, I'm not coming out tonight.
Up to you if you want to come.
Now you have money is like, you know, that important again.
There you go again. Now me have money.
Yeah, because I just that, you just dealing me rough. So, when I hear you're going to see me, you know what I mean?
Anyway, me tired. Me I will a shower and lie down. Alright?
Yeah. Yo, what one? But I'm not sure about it tomorrow, so. Me get a further update, you know. Because some things change, you see. But to a link you make you know what you want. Just if you have a deal right now, man, you're going to shut that thing. You see? Alright.
Boy, tired, baby. I'll call it down for me, baby. I thought you were going to hold it down for me. What's the problem?
Stop talking about that. That's a foolishness. Babes, you know, I enjoyed dinner. It was lovely.
Yeah, I said, baby, man, you know, must enjoy dinner, man. Everything we have on still, you know. But anyway, still, we have fun still. We like the vibes, you know. Bring back the bad memories to our good memories.
You know, say, I think next time when we go for one date, you should find one different hotel, not next, different hotel, although I same thing. But, you see that hotel the way you bring me? I kind of know. Like it, but the food is okay. Next time you bring me, go on all-inclusive. Because you have money, you can do that. I know say you can do that, that's a simple thing for you, man. I miss one shoes in one store to them, but I like if you buy it for me. Stop going like you don't love me. I know say you love me, you know.
Let me explain something to you. You see the hotel where we go? I'm a workplace every day.
Oh.
I don't have it like that. Remember back in the days, you know, I could afford 1,000. Now I can afford to give 10,000, but you have to understand this now. It's not like I'm rich.
You can give me 10,000 now?
It's no kind of really, but because we talk about 10,000, you just a push up. So you're interested in the money, you're interested in me.
What do you think?
I tell you what me think. My plan is to try to start out something so I can make some money. So what is your plan? What you have to put on the table?
Stop talking about table now. I don't come to discuss nothing about table. I come to talk to you about a serious relationship. I'm ready to have a steady relationship with you. I'm serious. I'm settle down with you now.
Well, I now go tell you that I don't believe you, you know. But you have to prove that to me. Because remember what happened the last time. So you have to go prove that.
Let bygones be bygones. Things had gone real bad for me. It didn't work out. So I did have to move and go live back a country. And the phone I have, it never did work. It no good known at all. So if you call me, you couldn't get me.
So let me ask you a question now. So even your phone mash up, we sure know you know where me live. So you could even take taxi come look for me. So me know why you finding the puppy story or them fairy tale story about phone mash up. We are all big people.
Babes, no go on so man. You know me always love you. Even though me never can look for you, I still have you in my mind. You see if me did have any fear, I would have to find you because I know you're there. You must can think and wonder why me never can look for you. I wonder if she not have no money. Me never dey work. Me no have no fear. How me I go reach? But me always I think about you. You know how much time me dream see you. I wish me could have see you beside me most of the time. I try to know it hurt me, man. But I through difficulties me did have to left as me tell you before. You understand?
But sometimes, you know, I just want to talk that. But one, or you just come up so, just pop up back in my life. And it just come to my brain. And finally, I see the vision when they talk about the fear thing. It just pop up so.
You know, it's a vision me get. And I just feel like to walk come out on the road. So I just walk in the town and when I look across the street, I just see you. And a different feelings just coming on my body. It's like a current. The connection just was right there. So I have to come over to you. You understand? And I remember all of them days. Things that I used to go through and so. But as I see you now, I feel a difference. Like I want things to work out between me and you. All over again. What do you think about that?
I'm not going to tell you no lie now. But that gene there is powerful. You just get that gene there and you walk out and you just fuck up with them so. And someone dream and they come true. Coffee gene them, I don't know them real. Trust me, but well, if you say you want a serious relationship, yeah, that's what I'm looking for. I'm not in the play team right now because I don't have money. I am poor. I make sure to tell your friend no. Say if you want to in a relationship, I saw me go know if you want to in a relationship. Because I can't buy your car now.
So babes, what are we going to do for your rest of night? Because you look sleepy.
You know, say you're kind of right with you. I feel tired, but anyway, where you live though?
You know, say around a Bullet Lane, me I stay with one of my friends.
Bullet Lane? No. Not tonight. Here what? A 2-room there. Sleeping like guest room. Me nah go there so. Further off, me want sleep. Me not going there. Bullet Lane a bad area. Gunshot at you from left to right. You hear where name Bullet Lane. Me not go there. Me not go there. Not tonight. Sleep in a guest room. You can't go and go sleep in a guest room till the morning. I'm not going there. I'm sorry.
Babe, remember I said the lane where you used to live? Me alone used to walk how much o'clock in the night go and look for you. I'm not afraid. I'm a woman. And you're a man and they go on like you're a coward. I don't understand. Anyway, yes, I'm going to stay in a guest room. I'm going to stay in there till the morning.
All right. I'm glad you make up your mind. So, you see, when you go there, so just take it right. That's your room. Everything in there. Towel, sheet, soap, you name it. What's the problem? It's like you don't want...
And me alone I going to stay around there?
If it's tonight, yeah, you're alone until tomorrow. I'll take you home.
All right then.
who that?
Yo. Brother.
Come in.
Bro.
Brother.
What, man?
What you do up here?
What do you mean something do up here? I come check your brother.
Come here with you. What problem now?
There really no problem. But me I say, are you name latter man, you know? You, since you left down I get you know, and you know, you left for down there.
No matter that. Come. Me want you where I come off with. Come.
Alright.
Me want to understand how this ghetto thing come up now.
Listen me I say to you. See? Are you name latter man? See? And me understand the life sweet. Look at that picture. All them culture. You, I beat dust down the same. I bust down the stop, beat dust down and get up. But you hear me I say. I don't feel place. What that brother? I don't see if I'm going to say. I want to go on.
You remember Cherry? The same girl who left me and gone because me not have nothing.
Cherry? The same cherry where you buy rope for down in the ghetto? So you want, you know, say, she knows say when you later, you know. She knows say money there. That's why I'm there. You know that though? Only if you know that.
Listen, brother. Nobody know I win this lotto. Only you. So let me ask you a question. Did you tell anybody?
Me not tell nobody. No, sir, me not tell them something like I guess you know. If me not tell mommy, you understand me, I say me not go tell nobody. Me not go tell nobody. So, guess what now? Me have to tell mommy say a white man. White man I deal with. You understand me, I say, just to make it seem like all is well. See, I have to just know what I do.
Anyway, we cannot sleep, you know, but thanks for your advice. That's the best advice now you give me. But anyway, my brother, what you really and truly come up here for? What you really left from down where you come from, come up here because you can have problem with food. I'm going to fix up a nice house down there. What's the problem? Tell me now.
You know, see, your brother feel live in a style right now. You know what I mean? Because guess what? Look for me. You know what I mean? My thing said that way, you know. You always have vaccine if you're driving, you know. I'm going to like car mat. I'm see one vaccine down there. I'm just to myself, say, my brother can't set me up, man. I'm supposed to make me live life. I appreciate where you're going down there still. But guess what you have to do? Make your brother live in a style because you don't know the thing set. Right, sir? Sorry, what, man. I make a thing go on for me.
Brother, you realize what you just said? You realize what you just said? And it's not like I won't buy it. The money, they have to take the taxes, the government, this and that. But otherwise, I'm not going to buy it just so. I'm going to make a family business. Anything you want to buy out of that business, I follow. Because me don't want nothing to do with the business. Me just settle off. I want me settle off. And if you, especially you, if you run down, I tell you the I'll stop run. So, go on down, relax yourself. When you come through, the business starts. Then you can buy all the vaccine you want. Please, we need to sleep. I'm tired now. Now get out.
Get out of what? Who you think you're dealing with? Who you think you're dealing with? Remember some of your bigger brother, you know?
Relax.
You remember some of your big, I saw one lick off piece of you. What you think you're dealing with? Eh? Sit down there, son. Let me tell you something, man. Yo, remember saying, you see me? I mean, used to take care of you and defend you when you're dead bout. You understand me? I say, enough boy, I beat up for you, you know? You understand me? I say, but you have to remember, say, me still a roll with my tool, you know? So no bother, hey, you take man for fool. Me have it, hey, you hear me? Don't ramp with me. You come go on like say, just because you have money, you come disrespect I and I. Eh?
I want to go in there, sir.
Yo.
You're nice in my room. I want to
go back and sleep. It's just some family business.
Family business, you stay over there. You stay over there, sir. As a matter of fact, you see you're in your black chair, you can't go on and stay in the black. Hey, you hear me? You have to step out of your place. Remember, I'm tell you, sir, have manners and respect.
James, I want
It's just some family matter. Yeah, just go and get up, bro.
Alright.
Yeah.
You're not ready? Are you still asleep?
Just lay down and watch the TV and go and think a little bit.
A gated community, sir. It's a gated place, you know. Mm-hmm. You know what I mean? Rich man, uptown type of thing.
When it touch Jamaica, it find money, you know. It makes sense, you know what I mean?
Okay.
So.
You see, me I wonder if I see him thing like my brother.
Yes, it is what it is, you know. You know what I mean? I wish everybody in Ghetto could move out, you know what I mean? So much crime and violence and Jamaican against Jamaican, you know what I mean? But I do a person now, you get a time to really meditate. But it's only come closer to home, you know. Because like the woman in the house now, I don't know who she be anymore, you know what I mean? The money change her, you know what I mean? But apart from that, life change still. Because now, you know, there's so much violence and gunshots on every night, and you know what I mean? People are dead every day.
Sure.
Up kind of more cool and easy running, quiet, you know what I mean?
Oh, you remember Black Cherry? Black Cherry from them time down in the lane? Who my brother nearly hang himself, huh?
Yeah, man, my girl, I'm cooking crazy.
Guess what? She not black no more, you know. A cherry she be now, you know.
Oh,
Yeah, man, brown cherry.
She white out.
Yeah, man. She the man have a pipe place I live with right now. But me I wonder if it's based on the fact say she knows say him have a little thing. You know what I mean? But I don't know still. I go on watch her, and wait for my turn, because as him say, wait for my turn. So I wait for my turn. Go up and yard, him a sleep like blood pepper. Don't know what Cherry had to do to him up there. You know what I mean? But I eat him food still. Belly full. I be things that go on the TV there, you know.
So where is it now, boy?
Be things, man.
What do you put in? The president there?
I'm saying.
What you do? What you do that for?
General, big up yourself, you know.
Yo,
I go
start
do
work,
it,
man.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Man has a respect, yes, sir.
Tomorrow. You know what I mean? You know, say this my virgin. You know, start some movie. I'm nigga them a watch. Where you going so? I need to watch a movie you come to that TV.
Let me tell you something. Me no want nobody find I get her come at me. I no care them. I call them do a beg. And me can't take nobody to come beg me right now.
I think the money thing, the first time I said, let's come over here back in the day, then I get her.
I could tell your answer. Same answer there.
All that day there, man. Come over there, man.
Everything money this, 3 hour money this, 3 hour money that. Tell her you know, man. What she want now? What happened? What go and see where the pan? Man, we can't talk to you now. Where is the pan now? They want me fold up some clothes. No, so me not have no money though. Me not have no money. Me tell you say every time you call me ask me for money. Me not have no money, girl. Me not have money tree up here. Me not disrespect you, man, but me tell you that like last week you called me and you asked me, this week you asked me again. You know, wait till me have it, then me can call you and tell you say sis, link me. Alright. Couldn't tell her where she called before me even answer her phone. Money this, money that. Where me? Take them mess up now. Alright.
What is it?
Cherry.
Oh, are you alone out there?
Sure.
Sure.
Yeah.
Come in quick. So what brought you here now? What brings you here?
You ask first. Can you sit down?
Sure, no problem. I know you.
I bought this for you.
Wow, you really know my favorites, yeah? So, why don't you buy one for yourself?
You know, say last money me did have, and me take you and buy that for you. To show you how much me I think about you and how much me
Wow.
love you.
You really did that for me?
Yes, of course, because me love you and me approve myself to you.
Wow. You really changed.
Yeah, man. You see in life, the more you grow, the more you know. So me I grow all of the love for you inside me, you know, to make you know.
Talk is cheap, you know. Trust is very expensive. You come in a time when I don't have nobody. Cherry, you have a chance. But me want to know if you're there for the right reason. You understand what I say?
Yes, babe. I'm here for the right reason. To love and cherish you. You understand?
It's alright then. So sleep over tonight.
You know, I would really love to sleep over, but I can't. I have somebody to go and check. But I'll come back tomorrow.
Alright, let me see you soon. Alright, so I'll see you tomorrow then, right?
Okay.
Eric, I need to test somebody loyalty. Yeah. Rick, one thing. I need 500,000 cash. Yeah. Tomorrow. And one more thing, Rick. Make it fake. Yeah. Alright.
No, me not tell you say me and my friend them a go out already. I'm fi carry son go and see you, not easy. Yes, me go call you back when me reach out there, so come me left out of the house now, here. Me call you back, man, chum. Where do you sleep?
That's what I do. No good. Where I go?
You know, so me go up on the road home. Me and two of my friends them, two of my girlfriends, we are going to a new place and I kind of far, so I must come back home tonight. So nobody sit up and look for me. Anyway, see some money here, you can buy some food if you want, you can go out anything you want to do. Come here talk about cooking and learning a cooking thing. I tell you the truth, so they found me to do my nails and I'm not even get to do them. I'm supposed to do them in the morning. So just go and enjoy yourself. Tomorrow I'm going to send somebody to come clean up the place.
I'm say something to you though. You see, since you're into this money business,
I didn't know.
I just start alone in the pan. You go up on the road and now, look where you have on the road. You say you go with a friend and if you come back, you don't know this and know that. That's not being responsible.
What wrong with me, Justin? Me no want shorts and want top. Come on. Every day I come with this, it's like I didn't know where I go come with. Me not have a chick or a child. So me willing to dress one dress. You understand? Yes, me man, me tired of this. You need to quit now, man. You're not tired to repeat yourself. Me can go now.
Do we though? But if I tell you something though, since the money thing come in, everything that's gone with Jane. What thing good? I'm not sorry though. Do you though? You make your move, I've met mine.
I have no office set.
What a night! What a night! Yeah. Wow. I'm telling you. Oh, what a night, baby. What a night. I'm not gonna trouble you, but tonight. I'm just gonna sleep. I'm tired. You good? Mm-hmm. All right.
say, the money change everything, man. There is no love no more, you know. And money is not all, you know what I mean? I rather live under the tree, by the sun, you know, than be a come around for a woman, you know what I mean?
So
We were together before the money, and we were loving. We used to cook for me, he used to wash for me. He used to do everything we used to make so much passionate love. And since the money thing come in, it's like the money got the best of you. So, go and deal with the money. You know what I mean? Live with the money and do what you want to do with the money. So, I don't want to place with a meditation.
So if you never want the money, why you never tell me say you don't want it? Why you leave it like that, like you want me to feel small? Anyway, where they know? Make sure you're good now. Where they, by the way?
But they're far out, man. I don't know
where is far out? Because I come now, so I come back and see you.
But they're poor us. You know what I mean? They can't find there's a little back all of meditation, you know. You're good, man. You have the money. You know, apathy, you know what I mean? Apathy, you don't see every money. But that make you happy. So, but that make you happy. Just do what make you happy. You want real happiness, real love. You know what I mean? We kind of tired now, so we talk to a different time, though.
Shana, hang up your phone, you know. Hello? Hello?
Later.
If you ever... Oh, wait, deep. Jesus Christ, I can't believe this. Somebody just changed for me, so you're look at me, mother. Mommy, call fire for me, please. I can't manage this. I don't do nothing. I just come back and see him at the house. Mama, you mean say I do something? Just call him for me now. Just call him for me now. Mommy, right now we are this field more. I just give somebody $1 million. Anybody find him? I just try and get him or put it out for your WhatsApp or something now. $1 million right now ready. God. It's a miracle.
Brother! Yeah, man, I'm me, brother.
Come in. We have good news.
You have good news?
Good news. You see the vehicle you want?
Yeah.
What kind of vehicle you want?
Vaxi.
Alright. The money is coming next week, Monday.
My God, that sounds good, brother.
Hope you can take care of it.
Yeah, you mean, man, I can't get this one try, one opportunity to get something I always want. And, brother, based on what I want and with minimum wage, I can't afford that right now. So I have to take this opportunity and be grateful. You know, it's a luck, you know. But guess what? When me hear what I go on now. You remember that girl, Cherry? Black Cherry? You remember Black Cherry?
Brother, what kind of question you ask me? Me don't must know Cherry there you see her.
That same Cherry we are talking about.
Yes, so what happened?
Cherry gone on the grill. She and a couple of her friends them gone on a rock house. See? When she done a rock house with her friends them, living lavish as she always tried to be. She don't go order food, sit down with her friends them, and when she ready for pay now, counterfeit money she have, brother. Counterfeit money, so you know, so she down there in jail right now. Rough pan Cherry.
Well, I gotta tell you now, brother. Cherry well alright. I'm comfortably now.
And now you woman, you not gonna bail her?
Brother, bail? Did you know it's my money she thief? Did you know I set that fake money just to test her? Cherry never loved me. Cherry loved the money. So when you love money too much, you put it behind bars. So you have to understand, right now, what you tell me right now, she good.
Enough about Cherry. When you say mountain, me can get my thing to go get the vaccine.
Brother, we just tell you a while ago, if you love money, we put it behind bar. Come, check me Monday.
Monday?
Yes, one.
Remember, say me a bigger brother, you know. Careful how you have the attitude, you know. Because me still hold you and drape you and fling you down. Don't forget that part there. No, because you have money, don't act like you're bigger than me. Remember that thing there?
The man can drape me, but my money will beat you. Go on through the door.
My money. When we get the vaccine, everything good. So we talk here. Let's go stay alive, don't dead, you know. We shall get that.
Alright, so thank you for watching. Alright, for those persons who have been with us from day one, thank you very much for staying with us, for sharing the content, for telling a friend to tell a friend about the channel. And for all those persons who are paid members, thank you very much for sticking with us and staying with us. We appreciate your support. And for the persons who are just regular subscribers, thank you very much. We also appreciate and love you guys. Alright. And we want to say special thanks to everybody that has reached out to us just to say, guys, you're doing a good job. For the persons who have sent contribution, thank you very much. And before I go, I want to let you guys know, head over to the channel called Cool Breeze Production Entertainment. We're going to have the link provided in the description. Make sure you go over to their channel, subscribe to their channel, watch the videos over there, because they're officially a part of the team in terms of persons who contribute, persons who produce with us, persons who love what we do and want to see us reach further. If I haven't called your name, if I haven't give you a big up, still, we appreciate everything that you continuously do for us. Big up on yourself and stay tuned for the next movie, because we are trying to provide content after content on all the platforms that we have. Richard Brown Films, Jamie Wood on the BTS, Paradise Nation, all the channels. We are trying to keep you guys entertained. Thanks much, and subscribe if you have not done so as yet. All right.